So we're trying to sell this house, and we noticed that the bar faucets, there was very bad knobs on there that were, one was broken, one was loose, wouldn't tie down right. So we decided to change that out. During the process of changing that out, the shutoff valve was very hard to turn off, and that the soldered copper lines, supply lines, were very, once we took them off, it was hard to put it back onto the new faucet threads. So we decided to go to the local big box stores and get a new shutoff valve that's a lot easier. We're going to replace the copper supply line with the new flexible supply line. That way, if the new homeowners ever want to change out the bar sink, it'll be a lot easier than going through the trouble that we had to go through. So in this video, we're going to show you how to install new shutoff valves for underneath your sink in 8 easy steps. And we're going to start right now. So the first step is shutting the water off throughout the whole house. Now we already shut the water off for the shutoff valve underneath the sink. However, since we're going to replace it, we got to remove the shutoff valve, and it's been soldered on there. So we got a tool to cut that off. But before we do that, we got to shut the water off throughout the whole house and open up all drains and faucets in the house. So now we need to start cutting the supply line, and since we're in a very tight space, we're going to use this small space copper cutter here, and we're just going to put it on the copper piping and turn it around, keep on tightening it till it completely falls off. Step 3, add the compression rings and clean with the Emery cloth. All right, so for these quarter turn shutoff valves, they come with this little compression ring, and then you got your compression valve for it. And what you normally do is you'll put this on the supply line, whether it be a copper, PEX, whatever, and then you'll put this right on top of it. And it basically, what the shark bite does, it allows it not to pull away. So then you got your step 3, your step 4, and then your step 5 is you got to tighten it up and thread it on there. Step 7, reattach new supply line.
Step 8 is what?
Check for leaks. Gonna have to turn the water on at the main supply.
What'd you say?
I don't see any leaks. Now, if you do see a leak, all you have to do is tighten up where the leak is coming from. Cool.
The
Win-win. Win-win. Looks a lot better too.
Yeah, that paint, that waterproof is way nicer.
So installing a shutoff valve is very valuable and something that you can do on any homestead. And I'm glad we took the time and was able to get this done, because hiring a plumber to do it is going to cost anywhere from $150 to $250. And for the small amount of parts that we use, it definitely puts money into our pocket. So we hope you like this video. If so, make sure you give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel out. We have some other DIY videos. We'll put a playlist above here so that way you can follow along. Until the next video, let's grow together.